Hello friends, today we are going to do abstract art with acrylic pouring technique. The material which we need for this project is acrylic paint, pouring medium and a canvas to work with. Later we will require some balloons to make the art. So here we start. I have poured pouring medium first and then I have added white acrylic paint. Now I am mixing it well. We have to mix it properly so that color and the pouring medium mixes well. For making pouring medium, you don't need to buy the expensive pouring medium. You can make your own pouring medium with PVA glue and water. It's very easy to make and it's not expensive either. Now I am going to add another color into pouring medium. That's a separate cup which I have taken. It's all disposable plastic cups. So in this pouring medium I am pouring purple color, and then after pouring purple color I am going to mix this well again. So there should not be any lumps into the paint. It should all mix well. So once we mix it, so it will come the color which you want. If you think color is lighter, you can add some more acrylic paint to this, and if you are okay with the color, no need to do anything as of now. So I am mixing it well, but then I see that color is still lighter than I required. So I am going to add some more purple color to it so that the color can be little darker, because we will be doing it with another color, so every color should look in its proper form. So here I have added that and mixed that now. So after doing that, finishing mixing well, then we are going to do the other color. The other color is going to be magenta. So after pouring medium, I am still adding magenta color to this, same as before. After putting color, we have to mix it well. We have to make sure there are no lumps into the paint after mixing, and it should mix well. Do it slowly so that it mixes well. If you can see that now the color is coming up, it's getting darker. After mixing, it's getting darker and darker. When it will be mixed well fully, it will have its original color. It's a very beautiful magenta color, and this is the consistency which we should have for pouring. Yeah, see, you can see that. Now we are ready with all three colors mixed with pouring medium and a canvas. Just see the consistency, it should be runny enough. I am trying to show you the consistency, how the paint is dropping. You will be able to estimate how it is. When you are doing this project and you mix it, you will be able to understand how it should be. Now we are ready with the canvas. I am pouring white color mixed with pouring medium first on the canvas all around. You can spread this with the palette knife. Spread it all over on the canvas. This is going to be the base for the art. So cover the whole canvas with this paint and pouring medium. Now after this, I am going to start with magenta color first. So the one which I mixed already, I am going to pour at few places just randomly. No planning needed for this. At few places you can just pour little magenta color You can see that I have made few drops. So once we are done with this, we are going to use another color, which is in our case is purple, but you can choose any colors, any two colors for you which you like or which are contrasting colors. So any color will look good. Now this is the other color. I am pouring little paint for the other color into the magenta puddle. All the places where I have poured magenta, I am going to pour this purple as well in the middle. So here we don't want too much paint because we already have one layer of white underneath as a base layer. Then we had magenta and then purple. Some places I have poured only purple now where I have not done magenta first. So it's going to be other way round. I am pouring purple first and then I am going to add little bit of magenta into those places. So now you can see canvas has many places where both the colors are placed well. Again you can put few drops into the purple color where magenta is there, purple and magenta again you can do that. It's all your imagination, you can make any contrasts. It's the technique which you can learn and then you can experiment and try with different colors and different styles. So now I have put both the colors at few places and now we are ready to make the artwork. So we need a balloon for this. I have blown this balloon, not very big one, and then we are going to dab gently on the places where we have put the paint. So this you can do the way you want but gentle. So because there are 3 layers of paints there, so if we do it too harsh, paint will get all muddy and it will be just a pool of muddy color. But we want to make some floral abstract art, so we have to do gently dab everywhere. So after doing this you can see that it has gone all over the dabbing. So you can keep adding some more paint if you want. I felt some places purple is less, so I am just trying to pour more. Some places I am adding little magenta as well. You can add either white also, and then you can do dabbing again. So it's a fun project, you can do another time, but not too many times, and you need to clean the balloon because otherwise it will get into muddy color. Have fun doing this, it's very satisfying. Just see where you want to do some more dabs. If you are happy with the result, it's fine. If not, you can still try doing little more. Now our work is ready. So I added little white and dabbing again with after white. This is the blowtorch, but this is optional. You may not use it. It is just to burst the bubbles. In case of mixing, there might be some bubbles, so that's why we have to mix it slowly. But this removes the bubbles. If you don't have this, that's fine. You can actually use the hair dryer also, but hair dryer will make the paint move and your pattern will be disturbed. So it's totally optional, your choice, if you want to do or you don't want to do. So after doing this, our work is ready.